Here we are at the Chicago School of Flower Design and two of my favorite bouquets of the month. Who are you?
I'm Jennifer Roberts. I'm a wedding planner and I love flowers so much, and I decided to learn a little bit more of how to design the flower arrangements.
And she hit 2 home runs today. Give that bouquet a little twist, sort of spin it around. There you go. Tilt it back the other way. She did a cascade bouquet out of pink roses and wax flower and a little bit of stock cascade. It's exquisite. Now I'm going to show you my favorite piece of the season. What did you put in this centerpiece? Not much. It's mostly fillers. It's not photographing as well on film. You should see it in real life. It's a lot of fillers and very few roses, and I think it's fantastic. She can't believe she made something so pretty. You got to see it in real life. It's chic. It's exquisite. Oh, so beautiful. I can't get enough of it. Really great job. And your name again, so people know who to look for?
Jennifer Roberts.
In what city?
Chicago.
Chicago. What's the name of your business?
Jennifer Roberts Weddings and Events. I'm a wedding planner and coordinator.
She's a wedding planner and coordinator and does really gorgeous work. Hold that straight up like this and tilt it back. There it is. There's Jennifer with her gorgeous work at Chicago School of Flower Design, and you can find her here in Chicago, and she can do some great work. Thank you, Jennifer. Bye.